Let's build and test Rust library. First we entered into the Rust library folder and run cargo build and then run cargo test running. The test is a module name and test it works is a function name. And here #cfg test means configure the below module as test. Then mod tests means module name is tests, and #test means configure below function as test function. Function it works is a function which we used to test. Here see, one thing is clear, that is rust lib test. The println command is not displayed any text. So to display the text within the println statement, we need to add -- show output. Now the rust lib test was displayed. Okay, see, test was success and the text, the println text is displayed. And here the module name tests is not so important, it's just a name. We can use any name. Okay, now we will add some functions. Check hello and check hi, and we will add corresponding test functions also. Test check hello and check hi. To run the check hello and check hi, we need to import the above hello and hi function. So we use super : star. This will import the hello and hi function within that module. Now let's see the help option, tests help option. Here the help option was shown. The usage of cargo test is cargo test, and then options, and then test name, and next is arguments. Okay, let's do the test. Cargo test, and next is test name and -- arguments. For arguments we will use -- show output. Show output is used to display the println message, and here we will use the test name as check hi. Yes, one test is running. Test within the test module, tests and check hi function is running success. And next we will test the check hello function. The check hello function was also passed, running one test. Okay, now if I give test name as hi, then it will select only the check hi function only. It running tests modules check hi function only. And now we change the hi to hello. It will matches the check hello function. Check hello function was running successfully. Okay, now if I give test name as check, then the test matches the two functions check hello and check hi. Let me check it. Yes, it runs two tests, function check hello and function check hi. We can run test by selecting specific package and specific test function too. Okay, if I give cargo test means it will run all tests within the module which is configured as tests. Now we will run the test by selecting the specific package and select the specific test function by using -p and the test package and the package and select tests : check hi. This will also check the matched function, that is check hi only. Instead of -- show output, we can use -- no capture also. Okay, let me change the text within the println macro in the Rust library. Hello from Rust library and hi from Rust library. And now we are going to use the library within the Rust binary project. For that, we have to add the library as dependency of Rust binary. Rust library under dependencies is a package name. By this name we will refer the library within the binary project. And now path here I give relative path to the package dot folder name. Here folder name is Rust library, and then package is to specify the library package name. Here library package Rust library is a package name. Okay, this is the single line dependency adding type, and this is the multi-line dependency adding type. Now we will use the dependency by including the use Rust library statement and change the println text as Rust from text from binary. And now we will call the library function by Rust library : hello. This will call the hello function. Now let's run the Rust binary by cargo run command. The output is text from binary and hello from Rust library. Okay, let's add another function hi from Rust library and run. Yes, it also works. It shows all the text. And here cargo fetch is the command used by cargo build internally. This will fetch the dependencies from Rust package repositories, and cargo update, which is used to update the dependencies, and cargo watch. This command is not pre-installed. This is used to watch continuously for source modification. If any modification found, then compile and run. Now we have to install cargo watch because this is not pre-installed. Okay, it's installed. Now we go into the Rust binary folder and run cargo watch -x means execute and then run. Now we modify the source and save it by Control S. Yes, immediately after saving the file, it runs once again. Okay, now we execute the cargo check by cargo watch -x and check. Check is a linter. This will compile partially to check for errors. Here we removed exclamation mark in println statement, so it's once again run and shows the println was not a function. Now we once again modified and running successfully. cargo watch dash dash version. This will shows the version of cargo watch command. Let's run cargo watch dash dash run version. Yes. Okay, next is cargo watch dash x and run. This will execute cargo run. And the next is cargo watch dash x and check. This will execute the cargo check. And the next is cargo watch dash check and dash x run. It will execute cargo check and cargo run. Cargo run, this run command do checks and builds and then run. When we have multiple binaries in single project, while running we have to specify which binary to run. Here we have three binaries, client, server and main, and one libraries. Now let's run cargo run dash dash bin server. So here we have to specify the binary name with dash dash bin. Like this, we need to specify that in cargo watch 2. Cargo watch execute run and give which binary to run, bin server. Now change immediately after saving. Once again it runs. On June 30, 2022, Rust 1.62 was released. Let's view the announcement page. We will update from Rust 1.61 to Rust 1.62. In Rust 1.62 onwards, cargo has add option. You can add package via cargo add rand featured default. The rand has version 0.8.5 and it has some features black. Default std, we will choose the default feature because we can give straight away the package and package with features flag and package with a version number. At 0.8.0. Okay, the default feature includes alloc, get random and libc, and these features are included in default features and these are not. Let's check it in cargo.toml. Yes, version 0.8.0 added. And next we will see about cargo clean. Cargo clean will remove all packages in target folder. See, the target folder was removed. Let's see the cargo clean help option page. See, here there is one option, package. We can build specific package using cargo build. Like that we can clean specific package too. Let's try it. Cargo clean p rand, and we can also clean multiple package too. Here we add rand package and our package binlib. This is our package binlib. First let's build. Here under target folder in dependencies, the rand package was added. And now let's clean this package. Clean cargo clean -p rand -p. We can also specify multiple packages in cargo clean. Let's clean. Yes, it's clean the rand package and our binlib package. Cargo clean will remove all packages in target folder. And in Rust 1.62, stabilized APIs are then sum, total, CMP. Let's see one of it, the then sum. Before Rust 1.62 we use this type of code, and after Rust 1.62 we can use this type of code.